The 2008 Mercury Mariner. Room for 5 passengers. Tight, responsive handling, 6 standard airbags, and savvy functionality are all part of the stylish and powerful Mariner. Mariner's electric power steering is powered by an electric motor, improving the steering feel at low speeds, providing precise steering on the highway and helping improve fuel economy, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.